I'm Gary Wojcik, a certified mentor with SCORE Lancaster-Lebanon. I have been privileged to offer guidance to a client as he pivoted from working in a safe corporate environment to taking the leap of faith to launch a startup that is now a thriving and active small business. I began working with Lally in February of 2019. He came to SCORE because he wanted to set up an independent small business as a physical therapist, emphasizing therapy and fitness for golfers. That concept changed directions over time, placing a golf simulator business as the primary revenue generator and the golf physical therapist and fitness as the secondary revenue stream. Despite pandemic setbacks, the company, inJOY Golf, opened in November of 2021. It is my very great pleasure to introduce to you my SCORE client and 2023 SBAL winner, Lally, founder and owner of inJOY Golf.
Thank you, Gary, and to SCORE for the mentoring services you provide for startups like mine that allow us to develop our small businesses. When I began working with Gary, I had a job where I had reliable work, made decent money, and I worked very hard to obtain a doctorate and excel in that field. To pivot from that and open an indoor golf center was a big jump for me and my family. Gary and SCORE helped me understand that the idea was viable, with specific business planning documents and financial projections, and most importantly, it helped my wife and I understand the extent of the risk we were taking, and it allowed us to strategize and work to mitigate that risk, ultimately making us comfortable with the idea of making the jump. When I started the business dream that would become inJOY Golf, I was looking for a better quality of life for myself and my family. My SCORE mentor was an immeasurable help in planning, considering things from all angles, mostly things that I was completely unaware of. I had the vision, and Gary broke that vision down into smaller components and allowed us to paint a picture of our business that turned out to be pretty realistic. Gary, I look forward to working with you as we move inJOY Golf onto even greater success. We hope that you will join us for the 2023 Small Business Award Luncheon on Thursday, April 20th at the Ware Center.
Help support the mission and programs of SCORE Lancaster-Lebanon by attending this year's event.
Celebrate the 2023 SBAL winners. Tickets are available at score.org/Lancaster-Lebanon. We hope to see you there.